Hi, my name is Michaela, and I'm thrilled to show you our Halloween products from our July to December 2022 catalog. Halloween is my favorite time to make giftables with our Stampin' Up products. Our first Halloween bundle in our catalog is the Scary Cute bundle. This bundle includes a stamp set and coordinating dies. Let's look at the stamp set. This set includes 6 sentiments, including a to and from to easily label treats or goodies. It also includes 7 silhouette images of kids in costumes, a moon, and some bats. The coordinating dies allow for fun little touches. The dies include a frame to give a feel of a haunted forest. To fill the inside of the frame, you can use the silhouette images of the kids in costumes from the stamp set. Layer the bats and moon dies and stamps to add some detail. To finish your project, there is a label that can fit all the sentiments from the stamp set, creating Halloween happiness. The next Halloween product we have to offer is the Bewitching Bundle, including a stamp set and a builder punch. The Bewitching stamp set includes 3 hats that can all be punched out with the Witch Hat Builder Punch. The punch also includes 3 stars and a hat band to add dimension. On top of that, the stamp set has a cluster of stars perfect for creating background effects, a pair of witch boots, and a silly spider. You'll definitely put a spell on your Halloween guests with this stamp set, Best Witches. The 2 witches are brewing up some fun to help your haunting. Add some stars and a frog as your finishing touches. A perfect addition to all your thrilling paper treats and goodies is the Black and White Designs Designer Series paper. Polka dots, stripes, stars, diamonds, and more. This paper has a whole bunch of patterns that pair great with our Halloween products or your everyday crafting. You won't want to miss out on this paper. Add a touch of glitter to any project with our Glitter Washi 4-pack. This pack includes 1/4 inch washi rolls in black, pumpkin pie, Highland heather, and old olive, giving all those trick-or-treat vibes, or perfect for any season. Putting together Halloween cards and treats has never been so fun and easy. However, if creating a fright isn't your delight, check out our autumn offerings in our catalog or online. Whatever you desire, we hope you have a great time crafting with all our fall products. Reach out to your demonstrator or visit stampinup.com for more information and inspiration. Don't forget to share with us what you create on our social media platforms. Happy crafting!